G'day comrade subscribers. Thought we'd have a quick look at the Gigatron TTL computer. So I got this about, I think it's 2018 from what I can see. So about 6 years ago. Yeah, so it's designed by a pair of Dutch guys. And unfortunately I was reading today that one of them passed away in 2020, so that was sad to see. But as it says, it's basically an 8-bit computer with no CPU. We've got a ROM, we've got the 32K of RAM, and then everything else is 74 series TTL. So we've got a game controller port here, so it comes with a nice simple little game controller, VGA output, audio output, and then a micro USB for power. Everything is nicely labelled on here. So you've got your blinking lights, then you've got your RGB and sync, and we've got our X register, we've got result bus here, we've got accumulator, extended output, we've got a OR gates and an AND gate, data register, instruction register. So yeah, so 60 Hertz video apparently, 64 colours, 32K of RAM, and 64 kiloword EPROM. Okay, so the word is 2 bytes, 30. Anyway, whatever. So it's got 4 blinking lights, 4-bit audio, 4 software channels. So yeah, it's a neat little thing. So we'll have a look at some software. So it's got software in the ROM. So when I got this, they'd just come out with Pluggy McPlugface, but we'll get to that in a minute. So we've got the version 3 ROM. When I was looking at it today, they were up to version 6, I think. And there was a 128K RAM expansion with SD interface, so you just take this out and it plugs into there. So yeah, it'd be interesting to have a look at that. But when I got mine, they just released this Pluggy McPlugface. So if you remember back then, the craze of naming things. So I think it started with Bodie McBoatface in the UK, for the name of a new ferry. So this is Pluggy McPlugface. So this plugs into the game port. My mistake is I should have had this DE9 connector on this side, not on that side. Twat. Anyway, we've got Tiny Basic, so that's an @tiny there. So we've got Basic and a PS2 keyboard interface, so that would allow you to write games in Basic. And what it should have done, I think, is plug in there, like that. So that would have been perfect. And then you plug your keyboard in, and then you can type in some basic programs. But yeah, so I've got some new boards thanks to PCBWay. And but unfortunately I don't have any DE9 connectors with the solder pins. I've only got solder cup, so I need to get one of those so it'll fit in, and then I'll make that up. We'll have a look at that in part 2. So we'll just have a look at what's on the ROM in part 1 here, and just generally, yeah, like I said, it came in a nice case. So they had these cases custom made. No longer available, unfortunately, because they were, well, custom made. I think they had 1,000, made up 1,000, came with a nice manual here. And yeah, so 2018, May, 16th of May, so I must have got this sometime after that, 2018, 2019. So yeah, pretty nice. It's all open source now. So you can download all this, you can spin up your own boards, you can build your own board. That's what the original looked like. And have a little experiment with it. So we'll have a quick look at it today. And I'll build this over the weekend maybe. And look at some of the other stuff we can get in later parts if you're interested. So yeah. Let's have a look. Okay, we're all set up. Gamepad connected, VGA, got the audio connected and ready for the power. Got my gamepad connected up. So let's start recording. And plug in the power. Blinking lights are on. There we go. So I know I can change the what is it, the CRT look by pressing select. There we go. So what do we got? Let's try and got Snake, Racer, Mandlebrot, Pictures, Credits, Loader, and then we'll go across Wasman, Basics. Obviously we can't do those last two. Tic-Tac-Toe, Bricks, and Tetronis. So let's just have a look at credits, shall we? There we go. Cool. Okay. Alright, and how do I get out of this now? You can hold down start to restart. There we go. Okay, gotta change that again. Okay, so check out the pictures, I guess. Alright, a little slow. Then again, it doesn't have a CPU or any other hardware. Very nice colours though. There we go. Took a while, but look at that colour. Would have been happy with this 20, 30 years ago, 40 years ago. Alright, I think probably, yeah, it's going to take a while to go through all of them. Okay. Snake, Racer, Mandlebrot. Let's check out Mandlebrot. See how fast this can compute. Okay. I think this might be one I let it run for a while. Yeah, okay. I don't think we'll do this today. I might do this in a separate video, let it run and put it to some background music. All right, so let's try it. I guess let's try out Tetronis. Anything getting hot? Okay. It can play Tetris. All right, how do I spin them around? Okay, up button. Okay. Cool. There we go. So there's Tetronis. Try and get one more line. Here we go. Alright, let's restart. Bricks, tic-tac-toe. Okay, let's see how clever this machine is. Oh, I might need a keyboard. That might be a problem. So this is written in BASIC. Ah, yes, I'll need the keyboard, unfortunately. All right. So let's just try bricks then, I guess. Ah. Of course, you know, thinking back in the day, the original arcade games, I guess, were just TTL logic, weren't they? Ah, they didn't have a CPU in them. That came later. Ah, there we go. All right, let's just try Racer. Oh, wow. Okay. How do I go? Am I actually moving? I don't know. Am I actually moving? Okay. I like the colour. I like the colour. Alright, let's try out Snake. Last one. Alright. Whoa. Am I supposed to eat the dots? Or avoid the dots? I think I'm supposed to eat the dots, aren't I? Jeez, it's too fast. Alright. Okay, yeah, but can I... Alright, so I'm not allowed to touch the dots after I eat them. Okay. Understood. Ah. Ah, there we go. All right. I think that's enough for today. So I'll try the other stuff out once I've got my Pluggy McPlugface all loader. So what does loader do? Ready to load. Okay, so that must be loading via the game port, I guess. So you can load software. Cool.